Okay, these are my RCBS scales. Recently sold on a forum and posted to a buyer who said he'd spent hours trying to zero them with no success and much frustration, and said they were no good, sent them back to me. So here they are. I spent about 20 minutes setting them up, just letting them settle really on the bench, made sure the bench was level, as you can see, spirit level on my just little shelf here on the wall of my shed, spirit level on the scales. You could get really anal and set them up a little bit more accurate than that, but bench is pretty level, scales are pretty level. On zero, nothing in the pan. For note, the pan handle was glued on about 10 years ago. All level, all sitting pretty. So what I'm going to do is remove the powder pan, reinstall the powder pan. This has got to be done carefully, you know, you can't just bash them about and expect them to be level. Showing perfectly level on the zero, as close as, damn it, as close as eyesight will allow anyway, zero. Trying to hold the camera steady, off. Powder pan back on. Return to zero. Nuts chuff in it, if anything, pretty zero still. Bench still zero. Scale still zero. Nothing in the pan, still on zero. I don't know how many times I'm going to do this, but you know, if you're throwing charges, they've got to be pretty accurate. And I've had them for 10 years. Never had any concern whatsoever. Always throwing good charges. Good enough to shoot stupid little groups and nail targets at stupid long ranges with really, really good consistency. On zero still, look, there you go. This is the first time I've done this. I've not edited this video or anything. I'm having a job to hold the camera steady, as you can imagine. I haven't got a tripod or bipod or anything. Okay, that is a 95 grain precision ballistics bullet, which I'm going to try and do this as best I can. 95 grains coming up. This is really tricky with one hand. Set up to read. .95 grains. 90 plus 5 grains. One 95 grain ballistic tip bullet in the scales, in the powder pan. And what does it read? Oh, look at that, 95 grains, but a gnat's chuff. Okay. Take the 95 grain bullet out. 95 grain bullets out. Put the 95 grain bullet back in. What do they read? Oh look, exactly the same. A hair under, which I think it was the same as the last time. Might have to rewind the tape, take the bullet out the pan. Put the bullet back in. I think that's still a hair under. Once more, just a bit of a laugh. Back in. Hair under. Okay. Last go. Will they go back to zero? Put those back on zero. think that's roughly where the 0 was. Tighten up the little thumb wheel. And then I don't know how close to 0 you want that to get. 0, nothing in the pan. Okay folks, that proves my powder scales work perfect. Still level, still level, still on 0, still nothing in the pan, still on 0. Okay folks, let's see if I can get this on YouTube without getting a headache.